All right, well, you may remember in a prior video, I had my mower deck, the bracket here, the left bracket had completely broken. It was not in good shape, I guess is about the best way I can say it. I had made a little temporary fix there where I took a L bracket or angle iron, whatever you call it, and built my own bracket. Of course, I put a few holes in there, but it seemed to work. It's just the whole thing was kind of floppy. It didn't want to stay together very good. Definitely the lawnmower was a little bit tilted everywhere I would go with it. So I decided it was time to go ahead and get it fixed. So I took it off, found a guy here locally that was welder. And he actually said he's done quite a few of these. This is one of the jobs he used to do a lot, he said, was mower decks, especially around here. A lot of people have John Deere's and said those the brackets seem to rust through. He said, ironically, sometimes it don't even break. It's just the welds are so bad they just end up coming apart. But he ended up fixing this one. And view on the other side, he put quite a good weld on it. Well, only one side was welded previously, and he come through, and even the one here that wasn't broken, he added some additional welds just to try to make sure it survived a little longer. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the lawnmower ready for the spring, go ahead and pull the blades off and get those sharpened. And yeah, the big question I had earlier when I was looking at this is like, do I figure out, go get the equipment and learn how to weld? And that is still on my list of things to do. I've just got so many things right now, so many irons in the fire, I didn't want to add that. So I decided I'd go ahead and take it somewhere and get it repaired this time around. But I think I paid $75 to get this done. I mean, he charged me a minimum of an hour, which I think is $65 an hour. And then he had $10 in just what he called his materials for the sticks, I guess. But, then again, I'm like, man, I could almost get a welder. You double or triple that price and I could just get my own. But I decided it would, at least at this point, I'm going to go ahead and let him do it. Maybe eventually I'll get to the point of learning to weld myself. And for you guys that are welders, I'd love to hear what you think. Like, how easy is it to pick up somebody that's never welded before, never done any metal work? What's my easiest, cheapest cost, the easiest way to get into it, and the easiest way to learn? Is it just to learn from somebody, jump on YouTube, or do I need to go take a class to really get it where I can do a decent job? I'd love to hear y'all's opinions.